Infosys Q3 FY26 results, stable execution amid cautious client spending. Infosys saw a measured response after announcing its Q3 FY26 results, with sentiment reflecting balanced expectations around near-term demand softness and the company's ability to defend margins through operational efficiency. During the quarter, Infosys delivered stable revenue performance, supported by execution of existing large contracts and steady demand in select verticals. While discretionary spending remained under pressure in certain markets, core digital and cloud-related engagements continued to provide support. Operating margins remained resilient, aided by tight cost controls, better utilization, and efficiency initiatives. This margin stability highlights Infosys' ability to manage profitability even in a slower growth environment. Deal activity was a key highlight, with the company maintaining a healthy large deal pipeline. These wins improve medium-term revenue visibility, although ramp-ups are expected to be gradual due to cautious client spending behavior. From a segment perspective, demand trends remained mixed across geographies and industries. While some sectors continued to defer new technology spends, others focused on vendor consolidation, efficiency-led transformation, and AI-driven use cases. Strategically, Infosys continues to invest in generative AI, cloud modernization, and automation-led solutions. These capabilities are increasingly embedded into client engagements, positioning the company to benefit when technology spending cycles improve. Within the broader IT services sector, Infosys' performance mirrors industry-wide trends of moderated growth but stable execution. Companies with strong balance sheets, diversified client bases, and cost discipline are better placed in the current environment. Key risks include prolonged delays in discretionary tech spending, slower deal ramp-ups, and pricing pressure in competitive contracts. However, a strong order pipeline and operational flexibility provide some downside protection. Looking ahead, investors will track deal conversion, margin sustainability, and any improvement in client decision-making timelines. Progress in AI-led services and cost optimization will remain important drivers. The investor takeaway is that Infosys Q3 FY26 results underline execution stability in a challenging demand backdrop. While near-term growth remains measured, strong deal momentum and margin discipline support confidence in the company's medium-term positioning.